the tariff time bomb that has now been taken up against India as well. And there are questions that are now being raised against the centre, against the government of India by the opposition. And these questions have also been raised in the ongoing parliament session on the House floor when it comes to the opposition that has been raising the government of India's stance, how they will actually deal with the tariff announcement or the reciprocal tariffs that have now been announced by the US president.
और जो इनकी दोस्ती है, गले मिलने का, बात करने का, हंसने का, फिर एक बार ट्रंप की स्लोगन देने का, ये दर्शाता है कि वो अमेरिका बिजनेसमैन है और वो हमारा कस्टमर फंस गया। और जो इनकी दोस्ती है, गले मिलने का, बात करने का, हंसने का, फिर एक बार ट्रंप की स्लोगन देने का, ये दर्शाता है कि वो अमेरिका बिजनेसमैन है और वो हमारा कस्टमर फंस गया।
So reactions that have also been coming in on the tariffs there, but how the opposition has been reacting, we heard Mallikarjun Kharge. The TMC has also been reacting, saying that the opposition has been demanding a statement on the tariffs from the government for days, but instead they are busy with the weapons of mass distraction like religion and Waqf Amendment Bill, of course, dragging in when it comes to the ongoing legislation that is taking place in the parliament. Let's get in a word from Pragya getting connected with us. Pragya, good morning. The opposition is seeking answers from the government of India. As we can hear, the matter is also being raised on the floor of the House today.
You're absolutely right. In fact, given the fact that there are very little interactions between opposition and government on this tariff front, and in fact, government is yet to release a detailed statement on what it means for India. Opposition has decided in its parliamentary party meeting today that they are going to take on government on this tariff issue, and obviously the jibes are on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's and President Mr. Trump's bonhomie and also the friendship. This is also what we had seen when Mallikarjun Kharge took that jibe on Prime Minister on this particular on tariff matter. Not just that, but having said that, the government is very confident that they're negotiating tariff rates with the American government, and they're saying that we have initially, in fact, we have already got concessions which others have not been extended for. But having said that, government is saying that the trade tariff negotiations are still going on, and India is set to gain from those talks, and there would be lesser tariffs. Government will also let few tariffs be down for US. This is exactly what is happening, as there are consultations between the ministry, be it Agriculture Ministry, Chemical Fertilizer Ministry, Commerce Ministry. Everyone is in talk with each other on this particular tariff matter and how it is going to impact India. While we are expecting that Commerce Ministry and Commerce Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal will brief, very shortly. In fact, we are hoping that he'll do it today about this tariff issue. But the opposition right now seems to be, not in a mood to wait for that, and they're saying that we want a statement from the government and what it means for us today itself, and this is why they decided that they should be raised in the parliament.
All right. When it comes to such kind of reactions that have been coming in from the opposition as well, will there be serious negotiations that would be taking place, because the opposition is seeking answers from the government of India on the tariff imposition? Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. But